how to set the keyboard, touch and hold spacebar to no action, cursor control, or voice input. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then we scroll down and tap on Swipe, Touch and Feedback. In here, tap on Touch and hold spacebar. From here, you can choose no action, open the cursor control or voice input. So at the moment, it is set to cursor control. So you can see here, if I open up my keyboard, when I touch and hold on the spacebar, I can then move the cursor up here. You can see I can move the cursor back and forth. And so that is how you can set it. If you want to set it to open up voice input, you can do so. So here, if I touch and hold on the keyboard, that will bring up the voice input down here. And that's it. So you can change it to open voice input, cursor control, or no action at all. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.